If you keep saying, "Can you help more?" you'll keep getting, "Yeah, sure," followed by nothing. Now, I'll share with you the phrase that forces a real yes or no with your siblings. But before I reveal that magic phrase, let's see what's at the root of your problem. Now, words matter, as does their specificity. The word help is a socially polite word. It lets your siblings feel supportive without making a commitment that they can be held to. It's ambiguity acting as their getaway car. And if you're the responsible one, ambiguity is how you end up doing everything. The doctor calls, the meds, the fall risk panic, the bills, the facility research, while everyone else is totally willing, in theory. So stop asking for help, start asking for ownership. Now, here's the phrase. Can you own this role for the next 14 days? It means you do X, Y, and Z. If you can't, say no, no guilt, but I need a clear yes or no by tonight. That's it. Notice what it does psychologically. It creates a boundary, a time box, and a concrete job description. It also removes the emotional trap of you're a bad person if you say no, which is the #1 reason people say yes and then vanish. Now, example 1, a sibling who dodges. You say, "Can you own the medical coordinator role for the next 2 weeks?" Your sibling responds, "Well, what does that mean?" You handle the next appointment scheduling, you get the after visit summary, and you text the family group the plan within, say, 24 hours. That's it. Yes or no by tonight. Now, example 2, the 2 choice close. If you want to make it even harder to dodge, give 2 acceptable options. Do you want to own medical or finance insurance for the next 2 weeks? Now, they're choosing between responsibilities, not choosing whether you keep drowning or not. Example 3, the emergency handoff. And here's the one that changes your life if you're trapped in the I'm on call 24/7 prison. Can you be the primary responder this week from Monday to Sunday? You know, if something blows up, falls, an ER visit, confusion calls, you take first contact. If you can't do that this week, pick another week, but I need an owner. This is how you reclaim mental space, not by self-care tips, but by structural reality. Because if you don't assign owners, you don't have a care team. You have a solo action taker with a tepid group chat. And remember, the goal isn't to win an argument with your siblings. The goal is to move your family from chaos to coordination so your parent gets safer care and you stop bleeding out your time, marriage, career focus, and sanity. In our family freedom framework, we start with clarity. The truth of where things are, where you're going, and why it matters, and what capabilities your family needs to build. That's the foundation of every sane plan. This is exactly why I made a free PDF called the Family Roles List plus 20-minute meeting agenda. It's designed for one purpose, to stop the sure I'll help cycle and replace it with a simple operating system. In one short meeting, you'll assign roles like medical, finance insurance, logistics home, facility research, primary responder, and family communications, so tasks stop living inside your head. Then the agenda keeps it from collapsing a week later. 20 minutes, once a week, no therapy sessions, no guilt sermon, just what happened, what's next, who owns it. Now here's how you use it. Schedule a 20-minute call with siblings. Start with, this is not a debate, this is a team assignment. Fill the roles, one owner per role. Owners can delegate, but owners can't disappear. End with one sentence. Next week, same time, if you can't make it, send your update in writing. This is what a kinship liberator does. You don't beg for help. You architect support, you build a team, so love doesn't require martyrdom. If you're ready to stop carrying this alone, click the link and download the Family Roles List plus 20-minute meeting agenda right now. Use it this week before the next urgent call forces you back into reactive mode. Go to bestseniorliving.io/roles. The link is in the description below. And if your aging parents urgently need a senior care solution in Central Texas, my colleague Jay Hufford is the best senior living placement agent around. His link is in the description under mine. I'm wishing you and your family health and happiness.